Hi children, in this video we'll discuss chapter 10 practical geometry. We'll also see the various constructions that is dealt in this chapter. So first we'll start with construction of parallel lines. We are going to see how you can construct a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. So to do this, first let's draw a line L. Let's take this line L. Now I am going to draw a parallel line to this line L through a point A, which is not given on this line. So now we need to construct a parallel line through the point A to line L, and we are going to do this with the help of a ruler and a compass. So to do this, first let's mark a point B on the given line L, and let us join A and B. Okay, now with B as center and any radius of your choice. Okay, take any radius and then draw an arc like this, which cuts the line L and AB. So I am going to mark this point as C. I'm going to mark this as C and this point as D. Okay, from B, with B as center and any radius, just draw an arc like this, and I'm going to mark this as C and D. Now, with the same distance same compass measurement that you took here, right? With the same measurement, don't change it. With the same measurement, keep the compass as it is. Now, just take A as your center and then draw an arc like this. With A as center and with the same radius as you took earlier, draw an arc. Okay, and I'm going to call this arc as FE. Okay, I'm going to call this point, this as F, this as E, and let's call this point where the arc meets AB as G. Okay, I'm going to call this as G. Now, keep the compass at C and measure this length CD, right? Measure the length of this arc CD by keeping the compass like this. Okay, C and D. Now, once you have measured this, with G as center, just cut an arc here in this arc FE. I just measured the length CD like this and keep it here and cut an arc. Now let's call this point as H. Okay, I'm going to call this point as H. And now just join A and H and draw a line joining A and H. Let's call this as line M. And we can see that line M is parallel to line L. So we have constructed a parallel line M to line L through a point A, which is not on this line. So this is how you will construct a parallel line to a given line through a point not on the line. I hope it's clear. I'll explain the steps once again. First, draw a line L. Mark a point A through which you want to draw a parallel line to the given line. So I mark the point A. Now, mark a point B on the line L and then join AB. Once you have joined AB, with B as center and a radius of your choice, just draw an arc. Yes, so we drew an arc like this, which joins the line L at C and AB at D. So this is point D. Let's be clear there. This is point D. Now, once that is done, with the same length in your compass, don't change the measurement in your compass. Keep A as center and cut an arc FE, which joins AB at G. Now, once you have drawn this, next, keep the compass at C and measure this distance CD. And with that measurement on your compass, with G as center, cut an arc. which will cut through this arc FE. Now mark this point as H. Now draw a line joining A and H, and the line that you get, which is M, is going to be parallel to line L. Next, we are going to see how we can construct triangles. So first we'll see constructing a triangle when the length of its three sides are known. So let us look at this question here. In this question, they have given AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and AC is 7 centimeter. And we are going to construct the triangle ABC using these given measures. So let's see how we can construct the triangle ABC. So to construct the triangle, first, so we are going to use our ruler and our compass for this construction. So when three sides are given, first thing to do is take one side. Let's take the side BC and let's draw BC line segment as 6 centimeters as given in the question. So now this is my BC. So I'm going to name this as C and this as B, this point, okay, and this point as C. Next it is given that AB is 5 centimeter. So let's take 5 centimeter in our compass. You have to be very careful when you are doing this. Now, with B as a center, draw an arc. D as center, draw an arc. So I have measured 5 centimeters in my compass, and with B as center, I drew an arc like this. Now next, AC is 7 centimeter. So let me take 7 centimeter in my compass. 7 centimeter. Now with C as center, let me cut an arc like this. Okay, now you can see these two arcs are not meeting. So again, let me take 5 centimeter in my compass. So basically I need to extend this arc so that these two arcs are overlapping. So let me again measure 5 centimeter in my compass, and let me go back here and extend this arc. So you can see that both these arcs are intersecting at one point, and you can call this point as point A. Now let us join AB, and so this is the triangle that we are looking for. So if you can see, this side measures 5 centimeter and this side measures 7 centimeter, correct? And this side is measuring 6 centimeter. So now I've got a triangle ABC, where AB measures 5 centimeter, AB measures 5 centimeter, okay, BC measures 6 centimeter, and AC measures 7 centimeter. After you have constructed the triangle, make sure to check that you have got the exact lengths as mentioned in the question. If you get the exact length, then you know that your construction is correct. If you are not getting the exact length, then you know something is wrong. You have not done it correctly. So recheck. Okay. Drawing of this arc is very important. See to it that your compass doesn't shake when you're drawing the arc. If your compass is loose, tighten it well so that you're able to construct properly. Next, let's see how you can construct a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known. So to do this, let us look at this question. Here we have to construct a triangle PQR where PQ is 3 centimeter, QR is 5 centimeter, and angle PQR is 60 degree. So to do this, see which is the angle that we know? We know angle PQR. So where angle PQR means Q is the vertex of the angle. So first let us draw QR, which is 5 centimeter in length. So for this, let us use the scale and the pencil. Now for this construction, I am going to use scale, compass, and the protractor. You will need all of these. So first let us draw the line segment QR, which measures 5 centimeters. So here is line segment QR, Q, and this is R. It measures 5 centimeter. Now I know angle PQR is 60 degrees. So with Q as the center, using the protractor, let's mark 60 degree, because the angle that we are going to get here is going to be 60 degree. So with Q as the center, measure 60 degree using the protractor and draw this line. So now you know this angle that we have got is 60 degree. Next, we know that PQ is 3 centimeter. So I have the point Q here. Now I just have to find out the point P. So to find out the point P, all I do is take my compass and measure 3 centimeter in the scale. Measure 3 centimeter using your compass, and then with Q as center, you cut an arc on this line. Okay, this line that you have got right now, with Q as center, you just cut an arc like this. So this is going to be, this length is going to be 3 centimeter. So this point is nothing but P. And then just join these two and you get triangle PQR. So this is the required triangle. So in this triangle, you can see that angle PQR is 60 degree. This QR is 5 centimeter and PQ is 3 centimeter. So this is how you construct a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of the angle between them is known. Next, let's see the construction of a triangle when the measures of its two angles and the length of the side included between them is given. So here we have to construct triangle XYZ, where XY is 6 centimeter, angle EZXY is 30 degrees and angle XYZ is 100 degrees. So to do this, see, we know XY is 6 centimeter and you know the angle where X is the vertex, right? That is given as 30 centimeter and the angle with Y as vertex is 100 centimeter. So first let's draw the side that is given to us. So the side that is given to us is XY, which is 6 centimeters. So I'm going to draw that first. Again, for this construction, you will also need your protractor. Okay. So that is 6 centimeter. Now, so I'll call this as X, this point as X, and this point as Y. Now, with X as center, see, I know the angle with X as vertex measures 30 degree. So with X as center, let me measure 30 degree in my protractor and then join this. Okay. Same way, the angle with Y as center measures 100 degree. So with Y as center, let me measure 100 degrees. So it's an obtuse angle, right? So it's going to come here and it's going to be like this. Okay. Now, okay, these 2 points are not joining yet, right? So just extend this. So that both of them join. Let's just extend this one. Okay. Now you can see both of them intersect at a point and you can call this point as Z. So this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 100 degree and this length is 6 centimeter. So now I have constructed a triangle XYZ where the measures of two of its angle and the length of the side included between them is given. You can cross check if it is correct by might be measuring this angle. So this is 100 and this is 30, that is 130. So this angle has to be 180 minus 130, which has to be 50 degrees. So just to cross check, if you measure this angle and you see it is 50 degree, then you know your answer is correct. You have constructed the correct way. That is how you would check if your construction is correct or not. So I hope this is clear now. Next, let's see how you can construct a right angle triangle when the length of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. So here, look at this question. They are asking us construct a triangle LMN, which is right angled at M, and given that LN is 5 centimeter and MN is 3 centimeter. See, again here, you can see that the triangle is right angled at M. So first, let us draw this length MN. Okay, MN is given as 3 centimeter. So let me draw that first. Mn is 3 centimeter. So this is M and this is N. Now once this is done, next let's draw a perpendicular to M, right? So basically we need L, right? To find out L, we know that the angle that is from M, right? See, angle LMN, we know it is 90 degree. So with M as the center, let me use my protractor and measure 90 degrees. So this is the line that I get. Let me just draw this line. Okay. Now once this is done, next, I'll just keep it here so that it is clear to you. I think when I kept it on the side, it was looking a little slanting. It's actually perpendicular. Might be it's because of the angle in which I've kept my paper on screen. So I hope it is clear now. So here now I've got the perpendicular to M. So this is going to be 90 degree. Next, what is the measure that I have? I have LN is 5 centimeter. So now I have to find out the point L. So to do that, let me measure 5 centimeter in my compass, and with N as center, let me cut an arc here. Okay, with N as center, let me cut an arc here and then join this. Now this point that I get here is L. So this length is now 5 centimeter. This length is 3 centimeter, and I've got my right angle triangle. So this is how you construct a right angle triangle when length of one leg and the hypotenuse are given.